Para sa pagbabago. OWWA membership. Expired OWWA for 5 years. Kaduha mo ni expired OWWA for 5 years.
Uy, pero karon, OWWA member na mi.
Just a quick stop here at Philippine Embassy Singapore. It's our lunch break, so we just ran here for renewing our OWWA membership.
My God, karon pa mo ka-ari. Na-miss mo, day?
This is the second time I went here. The first time I went here was to renew my passport, and I was also amazed with the place. But these girls were also amazed, just like my reaction the first time I came here. The last time we came here, it was very crowded, jump of people. There's a huge electric pan in the ceiling, and it's an open space. But now it's fully air conditioned, very clean. It is systematic, organized, and not crowded. So we're very happy with the change. This is a huge change for Philippine Embassy Singapore for quite some times. For us, we've been here for 7 years, and yeah, it's so happy to see the change that it was already improving.
Para sa pagbabago. OWWA membership.
Uy, member na mi sa OWWA.
Makita siya.
Motong gignan mi sa airport.
Pwede raman kay kung hawa na siya na aram ito dito sa kuan.
Motong sa kita nila man to gignan.
Motong aware sila nga
Pangan sa.
kuan na ta expired na ta.
Uy, Mercedes-Benz.
We are done here already at Philippine Embassy, and we're now going back to the office. This is just only a minute break for our lunch break, and it's a good thing that we managed to, have a minute to renew our OWWA. And I am just sharing this new Philippine Embassy. It's actually new to my eyes, but I think this one was already been here for years. But 7 years back, this is not the way how it looks like. And for us, it was just a great improvement to see that it was improving for the past years.
Where is it? Oh. Is it a grab car or grab taxi? Huh? Grab car? Oh, this one. Hatchback na karaan, mandian. Oh. Ay, kapatikasan.
Oh, grabihang alas mo kahapak.
Table 3, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Bago
Put on
day
your
was.
seatbelt.
Bago day.
Okay.